I'm reading historical EAS alarms, because people need to know the truth. Anyways, enjoy. Qatar, from 1999, 3 out of 10. Sounds less scary enough. New Zealand, from 1947, negative 10 out of 10. This is an excuse for an alarm. Canada, from 2000, 11 out of 10. This is so loud. My stomach will hurt if I woke up to this. Belgium, from 1924, 4 out of 10. Sounds like an alarm from a comedy movie. Honduras, from 1907, 1 out of 10. This is a very stupid alarm. Saudi Arabia, from 1991, 10 out of 10. It is very scary enough. Imagine, if I woke up to this, I hear this alarm, and my family will get shocked about this alarm. Greece, from 1949, 5 out of 10. What the fuck is this? South Korea, from 1950, 0 out of 10. It is not scary, because it sounds like a beautiful melody from an old movie. Croatia, from 1997, 3.3 out of 10. Italy, from 2004, 6 out of 10. Imagine, if they play this alarm at the 2004 Olympic Games. Finland, from 1986, 30 out of 10. It is so scary. India, from 1993, 1.8 out of 10. This is no contest. Afghanistan, from 2019, 7 out of 10. It really scares me out. Malaysia, from 1977, negative 2 out of 10. It literally sounds like the people clapping their hands. The Malaysian people are not scared. Libya, from 1911, 8.3 out of 10. What the hell is that sound? Indonesia, 10 out of 10. Good job, it is so scary. They hear this alarm in the hallway. Kuwait, from 1919, 9 out of 10. Almost scary. Chile, from 2010, 4 out of 10. The people might get shocked about this alarm.